What if you could describe anything? A robot arm, a phone case, a replacement gear, and an AI would design it for you, ready to 3D print. Before AI, designing anything physical meant years of training. You'd open Fusion 360 or SolidWorks, draw every line, every dimension, every measurement. Every change meant starting over. It was expert work, slow work. Now you just describe what you want. Design a robot arm with 3 joints, and an AI builds it, not in a drawing app, in code. It generates geometry, dimensions, joints, as text files that compile into real, printable CAD models. Step files, STL files, things you can hold. The system has 4 layers. You write the prompt, describe what you want. A coding agent, Claude Code or Codex, reads it. It calls a CAD skill, a specialized AI trained to write CAD code. That skill outputs geometry files and opens a CAD Explorer so you can inspect the result. 4 steps, prompt to part. What can you actually make? Robot parts, arms, grippers, mechanism, wheels. Consumer products, phone cases, mount brackets, enclosures. And when it's done, you export to STEP, STL, 3MF, DXF, or GLB, standard formats. Print them, cut them, mill them. The full pipeline. For robots, there's URDF, the Universal Robot Description Format. It encodes the physical structure, links, joints, rotation axes. Text-to-CAD generates URDF files with built-in physics validation. Import them straight into ROS2 or move it. Your AI-designed robot is ready to program. The real power is the iteration loop. Inspect the model, spot an issue, tell the AI what's wrong. It edits the source code, regenerates the geometry. You repeat until it's right. No more clicking through menus, no more rebuilding from scratch, just conversation and refinement. This is part of a bigger shift we're living through. AI started with text, then code, then images. Now it makes things you can hold. Custom manufacturing, replacement parts for old machines, one-off designs that never existed before. The distance between imagination and physical reality is collapsing. That's what this tool represents. Text-to-CAD, open source on GitHub, describe it, generate it, hold it, link in the description.